yona bantu abamnyama ngicela one into fanele siyilungise lesizwe semnyama i1 fanele silungise sizwe semnyama fanele silungise na into nayo fanele silungise ukuthi into sithola inhle mabazoyi hand over kithi right give me the bag right sithola into uma izo hand over kithi iphelele complete inhle. But after by hand over kithi ibe siya collapse. Fanele sikuqaphele lokho akufanele kube kanjalo. Because lokho kuyathusa ngoba kuza necase phakathi. Amen. When South Africa was still in the hands of Zamabulu, it was beautiful. Well taken off. Roads, lights, everything. But the day had no more place where to sow. Then South Africa collapsed to its knees. We must avoid that. Because everything about niggas I want, all niggas on a iphilile, funeke uyiphilise more ingafeli ezandleni zakho. Mutu avoid mutu kube nezinto ezifela ezandleni zakho because that tells of a case. I went around Sekunda Dam. Was shocked with Sekunda Dam with TJ. That dam that was well taken off. Lihlaza limile lento le akusaba ukuthi dam. But remember how was Enki Dam. So we must avoid it. Mabakunika isikolo, mamskhosana. Fanele bakunika isikolo sifa, ezandleni zakho sivuke. Fanele bakunika ikhampani ifa, ezandleni zakho ivuke. Fanele bakunika icountry ifa, ezandleni zakho ivuke. Because why? That shows that you've got a blessing in your hands. Black people must avoid indaba yokuthi yonke into abayibeka ezandleni zabo iyafa. Ivenda was a great town in the times of apartheid. Today, Ivenda is education. Sekunda was a great town in the hands of the white people. Today, Sekunda is on its knees. Must avoid that. Must avoid that. Because why? It speaks of a curse, not a blessing. When I arrived in this place, busimakangiya le ndawo le kwakubulawela abantu la kwakubulawa abantu balahlwa la kwakulododi la kwakuthola izidumbu ezifela. That's why ngohali ngoba ngithatha isikhathi ukwakha ngoba le idumbu ngisala na le idumbu ezazifela sala na idumbu ezatholakala la. But the day ngifika la kulesiganga lesi lesiganga came to be what it is today. Alright. Okay. If you don't believe me, I will brought some pictures of Sasana Sitombe, Zalisganga, Sinododi, extending for Tulamatula. Why? Because woman is stepping into this place. It's not just an ordinary man stepping into this place. It's a man with a blessing. The place must stand. Avoid. Put this into songs as fairness against her. Shout and prosperous. So uma wenza njalo